The Jade Cycle for me, at first it was an experience. I was curious. I didn't know clearly what everything is, but part of myself feel the calling. So the Jade Cycle bring to me first healing, and it was a really important process for me. I used to have a polycystic ovaries, like a lot of women, unfortunately, because of the contraceptive pill, and I didn't have my period for almost 3 years. So it's really long, especially when you're a young woman, when you're already sick and you have fertility problem. It's not nice at all. And Anamarta, she gave me a few nice tips, and it changed my life in the best way, because I take the information, and after 4 months I practice what she said to me. After 4 months my period get back after 3 years, and after 6 months when I did the checking with the doctor, it was no anymore kissed, it was disappeared. The Jade Cycle changed my life in the way, first, like I said earlier, I finally connect with myself. It's part as well of the process to be a woman, to be proud to be a woman, and to feel powerful to be a woman, and to don't feel alone, to feel connected with other women like us. So yeah, it brings peace, power, strength, healing, joy, a lot of beautiful things.